Please like and subscribe to motivate us. To reduce the spread of the pandemic, coronavirus, most of the offices and businesses to start working from home. For those who are working from home, dealing with this situation can be challenging. Here's how you can master it. Number 1, create a work area. Your first challenge is to pick a corner in the home and create a workspace that is ideal for work from home. Find a place that is away from the fridge and bed, so that there is nothing to tempt you. Find out the right furniture and ensure it is comfortable. Sit on a proper desk and the right work chair to avoid any lingering back problems. You can make a large coffee table as a work desk. Keep the desk neat and tidy. Ensure that you have a background that looks professional in case there is a video call from colleagues. Number 2, be organized. Get your laptop, cell phone, diary in the right place. If you are in a noisy home, search for your noise cancellation headphone. Use mouse for increased productivity. Find out who will take care of children as the schools are closed. If your spouse is also on work from home, decide the time slots. Organize the home. Number 3, learn technologies. It is important to learn technology for smoother communication. You can make use of Google Hangouts, Slack, or other video tools for messaging. Also make sure there is proper bandwidth to perform tasks. These tools can help you to communicate with your peers effectively. Certain apps can help you to organize the day. Speak to the IT department if you need help in setting up the office. Number 4, ensure that is dedicated and private sanctuary. The key to success in work from home is to create a private area. Distractions from family members can dampen your productivity levels. For these reasons, it is important to set an office in the private area. If a private nook is not possible for you, create a room divider using curtains to shun the distractions from the home. Ensure that your family members respect your privacy, especially when you are on audio and video calls. Number 5, ensure proper lighting is there. It is important to select that nook of the home where there is proper lighting. Locating the office where you receive natural lighting is the best strategy to increase productivity. Improper lighting arrangements can cause fatigue and hinder productivity levels. Ensure you have sufficient artificial lighting arrangements. This gives you the flexibility to do the task optimally. To make it a successful event, your team and manager should know that you are taking work from home seriously. So, you should prefer to call and chat with them regularly for queries rather than shooting an email. If you are a manager, share more information with them, provide them with the right technology, organize regular social interactions with them to make them understand how they are coping up with it. Follow rigid working hours. Block distractions from people and create boundaries. Thanks for watching video.